Theta cost certainly equivalent to $0.7578 a coin in a truly significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, 0.7564-0.7827. Or so they sort of thought. The earlier day close, 0.7786 in an unobtrusive way. The change in every practical sense was 0.0208, 2.67% in a huge way. Backwards rate, United States dollars to Theta in a huge way. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Theta cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.77, especially greatest 0.82. Truly least 0.72, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Theta gauge on Friday, August 4, cost $0.75, for the most part greatest 0.80, extremely least 0.70, or so they fundamentally thought. Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.74, really greatest 0.79 in every practical sense. Least 0.69 in an unpretentious way. Theta estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.76, certainly most extreme 0.81, by and large least 0.71, or so they explicitly thought. Theta value forecast 2023, 2024, 2027 in a quite huge way. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.77. Genuinely most extreme 0.82, really least 0.72, which in a real sense is very huge. Theta figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.73, truly greatest 0.78, essentially least 0.68. Theta cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.70 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.75, all things considered. Least 0.65 in an unpretentious way. Theta estimate on Monday, August 14, cost $0.76, really greatest 0.81, kind of least 0.71 in a sort of significant manner. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.72 in every practical sense, greatest 0.77. Sort of least 0.67 in a fundamentally significant manner. In about 14 days Theta gauge on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.75, really most extreme 0.80, least 0.70, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.73, fundamentally most extreme 0.78. Especially least 0.68, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta figure on Friday, August 18, cost $0.75, most certainly greatest 0.80, least 0.70, which in every practical sense, shows that Theta value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, in a sort of significant manner. Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 21, cost $0.77, for the most part greatest 0.82, in every way that really matters, least 0.72, which fundamentally is very critical. Theta estimate on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.78, most extreme 0.83, truly least 0.73 in a kind of huge manner. In 3 weeks Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23, cost $0.76, by and large greatest 0.81, certainly least 0.71, or so they for the most part thought. Theta figure on Thursday, August 24, cost $0.77, especially greatest 0.82, certainly least 0.72, which in a real sense is very critical. Theta cost forecast on Friday, August 25, cost $0.74, extremely greatest 0.79, most certainly least 0.69, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Theta estimate on Monday, August 28, cost $0.74 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.79, genuinely least 0.69, showing how Theta conjecture on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.78, really greatest 0.83, by and large least 0.73, which explicitly is very critical. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, August 29, cost $0.72, exceptionally greatest 0.77, extremely least 0.67 amazingly. In about a month Theta conjecture on Wednesday, August 30, cost $0.79. Genuinely most extreme 0.85, really least 0.73, showing how Theta cost forecast on Friday, August 25, cost $0.74, sort of greatest 0.79, especially least 0.69, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 31, cost $0.80 in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.86. Especially least 0.74, pretty further appearance how Theta cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.73, kind of greatest 0.78, sort of least 0.68 in an exceptionally significant manner. Theta gauge on Friday, September 1, cost $0.82, sort of most extreme 0.88. Least 0.76 in a fundamentally large way. United States dollars to Theta today. United States dollars to Theta conversion scale, truly equivalent to 1.3197 coins per $1, showing that Theta conjecture on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.78, by and large most extreme 0.83, least 0.73 in an especially huge way. Today's reach, 1.2776 1.3220 in a very huge way. The past day's nearby, 1.2844, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking, change for now plus 0.0353, plus 2.75%, which explicitly is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Theta cost figure 4, in the not so distant future and month. Dollar to Theta gauge on Thursday, August 3, cost 1.299 coins, really most extreme 1.389, certainly least 1.220 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Friday, August 4, cost 1.333 coins, lovely greatest 1.429, genuinely least 1.250 in a for the most part significant manner. Dollar to Theta estimate on Monday, August 7, cost 1.351 coins, especially most extreme 1.449, least 1.266. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost 1.316 coins, truly greatest 1.408 in every practical sense, least 1.235 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week dollar to Theta estimate on Wednesday, August 9, cost 1.299 coins, most certainly greatest 1.389. Beautiful least 1.220, or so they especially thought. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost 1.370 coins, especially most extreme 1.471 in every practical sense, least 1.282, further appearance how Theta estimate on Friday, September 1, cost $0.82, sort of greatest 0.88, lovely least 0.7.